Hey guys, I'm back with another wig review for you guys, and this wig is from Braids Queen, guys. So this is their glueless frontal lace wig, braided wig, of course. It's 100% high quality Kanekalon fiber, 100% hand braided, realistic cornrow braids, ultra soft Swiss lace wig, 13 by 5 lace area. It's 1B30 ombre, and the length is 30 inches, guys. So all right, guys, so with this wig, I was scrolling through my YouTube, and I came across this video, and I was like, I've been wanting a braided wig for so long, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give this wig a chance. So I went ahead and I ordered it immediately. All right, guys, so this is how the inside of the wig looks. Of course, it has a strap, which is awesome. I didn't have to go in and add it myself. It also has like 3 combs or clips, whatever you want to call them, at the sides, and 1 in the back. All right, guys, this wig was like well made, I'm telling you. All right, guys, so it came with these little accessories, and that's all that came with it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take my Gots to Be glue gel, and I'm just placing that on the edge of my ear. This is just to tame it, so that whenever I put on my stocking cap, it actually holds it in place, because we are trying to have a nice and flat front. Okay, so that's basically what I am doing right there. All right, guys, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to tint the lace, and the tint that I'm using is from eBay, and this is in medium brown. Guys, I'm so in love with this lace tint, and I've been looking for a lace tint like forever, and I finally found one that actually works, and it dries super duper fast too. So yeah, after I spray the lace tint on there, I didn't have to do anything else to this frontal. All right, guys, as you can see, I changed my stocking cap because the one that I was wearing was too light, and the edge part of it was peeking through the front part of the lace. And guys, I'm just looking for a flawless look. All right, so I'm gonna pop the wig onto my head, you know, just focusing it. What am I saying? Focusing it. I'm just gonna position the wig on my head and all that good stuff. Make sure that it even, you know, and all that good stuff, guys. So next, I'm going to clean around my airline with some alcohol, and this is just so that when I spray the blasting spray from Gots to Be Glued, it stays down, it sticks down. Okay, so sorry. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut around the ear portion. Like, guys, the only problem I had with this wig was that the ear part was a little bit too long or too wide because it rested on my ear. So when I tried to cut off the excess, I had to remove one of the braid, you know. This is so that my ear, it would like give my ear some breathing space. if you get what I'm saying. All right, guys, so just so that my ear wouldn't hurt me throughout the day. All right, guys, so I'm just spraying the Gots to Be Glue plastic spray around the edges. All right, guys, so we're not doing anything extra today. This is a quick 10-minute wig install, which it did take me a little bit longer. That's because I was having issue with the ear portion, trying to get it to fit perfectly around my ear. Well, it didn't really, but I just had to work with it anyway. That was the only thing that I didn't like about the wig. But other than that, it's super light. Even though the hair is like 30 inches long, it was super light. I didn't feel like a mop head or anything like that, so that's a plus right there. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm just cutting off the braid so that it fit around the ear portion. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace that we don't need, because we don't need it. Alright guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go on ahead and do so. Also give this video a thumb up if you like it. In the end, my voice sounds a little, you know, hoarse. That's because I am hoarse. So yeah. Alright guys, now I'm going to go ahead and style the front, and I'm going to take my Aussie mousse and I'm going to spread it all over the front part of the hair. And I'm going to also be using this to make the baby hair, like, because sometimes I do not like using the Constantly glue gel to make the baby hair because it makes it too stiff. And with the mousse, I can actually manipulate it in terms of, like, I can lay it down and then I can just go back in and comb it out. But anywho, I'm going to go ahead and cut off those big ass giant baby hair. And yeah, and I am what was I gonna say, but anyway, never mind that. So I'm just going to go ahead, take my little edge brush, and I'm just going to sweep those baby hair into place the way how I want them. Like, this texture here was a little hard to work with, but you know, I made it work anyway. Alright, so as you can see, I'm just taking my little time and just trying to lay down the edges as best as I can. And yeah. Alright guys, so that's basically it. I'm going to go ahead and tie it down for maybe like a couple of minutes. But I did keep it on there for a really decent amount of time just because I went ahead and I did my makeup. Alright guys, so yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Quick and easy, on the go, no styling. All you gotta do is just lay it down, sweep your baby hair if you want them, and voila. Alright guys, so I'm in love with this wig, and hope that y'all like this video. And yeah, thank you again for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Alright guys, yeah, look how long it looked, like 30 inches, baby. Alright guys, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.